Hello, good evening students. In this video, we will see types of adsorptions. Okay, on the basis of the force of attractions between adsorbent and adsorbent, there are two types of adsorptions. One is called physical adsorptions and other is known as chemical adsorptions. You know, physical adsorptions are also known as physisorptions. It is also called physisorptions. Physisorption. It is also known as van der Waals adsorptions because in this case the force of attractions between the adsorbent and adsorbent molecule is a van der Waals force of attractions. Okay, it is a van der Waals force of attraction, that is a physical force of attractions. Okay, van der Waals force of attractions you have studied in class 11. The dipole attraction, dipole induced dipole attractions, okay, and London dispersion force, these are known as physical force of attractions or van der Waals force of attraction. So such force of attractions exist between adsorbent and adsorbent molecule. Since the van der Waals force of attraction or physical force of attraction is a very weak force of attractions, therefore in this case the adsorptions can be reversed. Means adsorbed substance can be removed from the surface of adsorbent by heating, means by increasing temperature or by decreasing pressure. We will see it in detail in the characteristics of physical adsorptions. Now the second is chemical adsorptions, which is also known as chemisorptions. Okay, in this case the force of attractions between the adsorbent and adsorbent is a chemical bond, means a covalent bond and ionic bond. And you know, the concept of chemical bond was given by Langmuir. Okay, that's why this adsorptions is also known as Langmuir adsorptions. And also the chemical bond is much stronger than the physical bond, means physical force of attraction. That's why in this case the adsorptions cannot be reversed, means the adsorbed substance cannot be removed from the surface of adsorbent. For example, when oxygen is chemically adsorbed on the surface of aluminum, it gets converted into aluminum oxide. The surface of aluminum gets converted into aluminum oxide, right? And in case of physical adsorptions, when a gas is physically adsorbed on the surface of solid, the chemical nature of the gas does not change. Okay, like if ammonia gas is adsorbed on the surface of charcoal, it will remain in the form of NH3 molecule. But when oxygen is adsorbed, chemically adsorbed on the surface of iron or on the surface of aluminum, it changes into oxide. Oxygen changes into oxide. But in case of physical adsorption, there is no change in the मॉलिक्यूलर नेचर में कोई चेंजिंग नहीं आएगा. ओके, द मॉलिक्यूलर नेचर विल नॉट चेंज इन केस ऑफ फिजिकल एडजॉर्प्शन, बट इट विल चेंज इन केमिकल एडजॉर्प्शंस. One more example, at 83 Kelvin temperature, nitrogen gas is physically adsorbed on the surface of iron, and nitrogen will remain in the form of N2. But if the temperature is raised to very high, 773 Kelvin or more, then the nitrogen is chemically adsorbed on the surface of iron, and the surface gets converted into iron nitride. Nitrogen gets converted into nitride. Okay, so in this case the force of attraction between adsorbent and adsorbent is chemical bond in case of chemisorptions, and is a physical bond in case of physisorption. Next class we will see the characteristics of physisorptions and chemisorptions. Thank you.